what a nigga say, no matter who we sound like. I'm sure you know what the rain is, but it's gonna be coming down like cats and dogs. Hold up, it is cats and dogs. Keep fucking with the dog, it's gonna be cats in the mall. Got 22 million souls. Let's keep it real. Most of y'all killers ain't even 22 years old. Ain't never felt the cold. Wet behind the ears. Know what real pain is. Cried real tears. I go hard and broke hard to stand my ground. Fuck y'all niggas. It's how it's going down, baby.
All my niggas, all my bitches, get high, get drunk, get wild. You know my style, get crunk, bitches bounce, and let me give you that funk shit, blunt shit, while I make you bang it out the trunk.
Just don't look right, this bullshit coke won't cook right. The judge ain't throwing the book right. Should thank the Lord that you blew up softy. But don't talk greasy, you grew up off me. I ain't letting go of the block, and if I get a good enough grip, I ain't letting go of the lock. If I happen to get pinched, I ain't going to shock. Wanna get acquainted with niggas in general pop. Stop, but don't hate, cause everybody got a little blood to donate. The thugs will go 8, the women to come around. Shortly after that is when the jealousy sets in, then they'll shut it down. It's just raspy, nothing on the neck, wrist wear, just classy. There's no way I'm letting this money just get past me, when all I had to do in the first place from the beginning was get nasty.
All my niggas,